Hello, discrete math fans. So we're going to talk about divisibility. We all have a sense of this. In elementary school, we all learned about long division. We learned, for example, that if we divide 83 by 7, we'd get a quotient of 11 with a remainder of 6. What does that mean? It means if we take the improper fraction, 83 over 7, we can write it as a mixed fraction, 11 plus 6 over 7. 11 is the quotient, 6 is the remainder. 7 is the divisor. If we take 91 and divide by 7, we'd get 13 with no remainder. That means that 91 divided by 7 can be rewritten as 13 plus 0 over 7. And of course, we just write that as 13 and stop writing the 0 over 7. So divisibility is a basic concept of an advanced branch of mathematics called number theory. Number theory is the study of integers. And we're going to study some of the very basic ideas in number theory. Now let's give a formal definition of divisibility, along with some alternative notations and alternative ways to talk about it. So our definition is that if n and d are integers, and here we're going to insist that d is not equal to 0, then we're going to say that n is divisible by d means that n is equal to d times k for some k in the integers. And we've actually used this definition already. We talked about even numbers. And an even number is simply a number that's divisible by 2. Here we're allowing divisibility by other integers. Now here's some alternative ways of saying and writing the same thing. So instead of saying n is divisible by d, we could say n is a multiple of d. D is a factor of n. We can also say that d is a divisor of n. Or we can say that d divides n. And we've talked about this notation where we say d with a vertical bar, n, that's read d divides n. D divides n is a statement. It's not a number. If you want to actually carry out the division, then you have to use a division symbol with a fraction. We can use some symbols to write that if n and d are integers, as long as d is not equal to 0, then we're going to say that d divides n means that there exists some k in the integers such that n is equal to d times k. Okay, that's all for now.